Hello guys, so welcome back to Constrom. So today we're going to look on how to do shortest distance from 2 points, on how to find that routing. We're going to use QGIS ORS Tool Plugin. So we go to Plugins, manage and install plugins, and then once this opens, you're just going to search ORS Tool. This is the plugin, install it. So for my case, I've already installed it. So this is the icon for the plugin. So once you have installed it, come back to your canvas and go to web. So here I've already added my base map, but you can see the ORS tool already here. So just click it and this pop-up window will appear. So what you'll do, you need to have an account with these ORS tools. So I'm just going to sign up. And once I sign up, and then I'll be able to get an API key. So I'm going to agree to use the cookies. That's very important. And I'm going to sign up real fast. So I'm just going to do something really fast. So once I'm done, we'll get back to the video. So upon activating my account, you will get to this page. So this is the dashboard of this ORS tool plugin. So you're going to request a new token, and it's a standard token, and I'm going to name it even routing. You can use any name, and I'm going to create the token. So you can see I have a success message that the token was successfully created. And here I have my token, and I can just click to copy. I've already copied it, and we can go back to QGIS. So once in QGIS, you go to this setting bar, and I'm going to paste my key here. I'm going to save this. Now everything is set, and now let's do the shortest distance between 2 points. So what I'll do, I'll use this icon, for the green icon, to add the points along the roads, because this uses the OSM road network for you to find the shortest distance. So I'm going to click this, and I'm going to select just a random place along this highway. So I can just select here, and then I'm going to select another location, let's say on this junction, and then I can just double click. Now I have 2 points, as you can see. We have 0, this is the start point, and this is the end point, and these are the coordinates of those 2 points. Once you have that, you can now just click apply, and it's going to take a few seconds, and you can see we have the shortest route between these 2 points. So you have a new feature layer on your layer control panel, showing the route, the shortest route from this point to this point. So we can do another example. I can just remove these, and in this case, let's add maybe a third point. So I can go to, maybe you can just stick with the same place. I'm going to add 3 points. So I can just do this junction. So that's my first point, and my second point can be here, let's say here, and my third point can be somewhere here. Double click again. Now in this scenario, we have 3 points. Let's zoom out to see. We have 0, 1, 2. So 1 is sort of the intermediary between these 3 points. It means we have to pass through through 1 for us to get to 2. So once you have added our points, just click apply, and it's going to find the shortest route from 0 to 2 through A. So guys, that's how you do routing in QGIS. Don't bother stressing out yourself. Try this plugin and let me know if you encounter any issues. Thank you guys for watching this video. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year 2025. Thank you guys. Please like this video. Subscribe to our channel for more GIS related content. Bye.